Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using a contact list and saved numbers, or using the, let's say, dialer settings. Of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's open your contact list, find the contact you would like to unblock and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the option block numbers, so let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to unblock a number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you're ready, just tap on block. And as you can see, it is notified right here. We've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is just said that this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it blocked. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number which is currently saved on your contacts, and now let me show you another way. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general section we've got blocked numbers on the third position, so let's tap, and as you can see, this is the blacklist, our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine. We successfully blocked this number. And here in this step, you cannot actually block a number which is currently saved. You can enter it manually. So that's also quite useful. You do not have to save all the numbers you want to block. All you have to do is to simply tap on add a phone number, and here in this section you can simply enter it. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist also. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which is quite useful. After activating it just by tapping on the switcher, you will be able to, actually your device will be able to block all calls from unidentified callers. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So if you'd like to unblock the number, you can do it, as I said before, just by going to the contacts, and if it is a number which you've manually applied here, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see they immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.